Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hoopo, or 15 miles south of Morrison, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tampico and Deer Grove around 8:30 p.m. Rock Falls around 8:40 p.m. Sterling around 8:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Leon Corners, Eastwood Addition, and Whiteside County Airport. This includes Interstate 88 between mile markers 37 and 44. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself